Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make a piglet. It's gonna be similar to this one. Now, I earlier made this other guy who's more like the dad, but I want to make a smaller one that looks more like a baby pig. So the first thing you do is that you grab a piece of soap dough, 2 pieces. One will be the head, the other one will be the body. One needs to be slightly smaller than the other. You roll them into balls, and one of them you roll it more of into an oval shape. Or like an egg shape. The head is a little too big, so I remove a piece of dough. So now we have this. And you just press them together like this. The next thing you want to do is the nose. And to do that, you roll a log and cut it. Now this is about the size I want it to be. That means I'm gonna roll it thinner, because when I press it into the head, it's going to become thicker as I squeeze. I'm also going to make a hold on the part of the head where I want the nose to go. And then I will put this in and press. So it'll be like this. At this point, I'm going to make the holes on the nose. And I'm also going to make the eyes, which are going to be slightly apart than the holes for the nose. Like this. And then the smile of the pig will go right underneath the nose. So it's a happy pig. Next, I'm gonna roll the ears. They're actually gonna be make 2 small ovals. And press them down. Then when you have your oval, make one end pointy by squeezing into it, and then make it a little flat. Same thing here. I'm making one end pointy and flattening it. Then the place where I'm gonna put the ears is gonna be around above the eyes, and I'm gonna make a mark of where they're gonna go, like this. The pointy side will be out, so I'm just inserting the oval, the round shape, on the mark that I made. Then I'm going to bend this slightly, and I'm going to use this tool, which is like a rubber tip, to smooth the ears into the head, and also to roll the ears so that they become attached to the head. And we'll do the same from the back. Alright, now I'm gonna roll a thin snake for the tail. Then I'll cut it off, and then I'm going to spiral the tip into itself like this, and I'm going to attach it to the back of the pig. And if you don't have a tool like this, you can use your fingers or an eraser. And now what's left is to do the legs. To do that, roll a log, slightly thicker or thinner, slightly thinner than you want your legs to be. The legs are gonna be longer than usual because part of them are going to be stuck in the top of your soap when you make your soap. So I'm gonna make them about this, almost 1 inch. Okay, that's close. And one end, you're gonna make it pointy by pressing onto it. Then you're going to make indentations where the legs are going to go. So I'm gonna put the indentations close to the face, close to the head, and then close to the back, next to each other, like this, and like that. Then the pointy end is going to go into the indentation. I'm gonna press, and before I put the other one, I'm going to smooth the inside of the leg into the body. Then I'll put the second one. So much lint. Okay. And I'll do the same. I'll smooth the edges in. And I'm also gonna smooth or just dragging the top of the leg into the body of the piggy. We'll do the same with the back legs. Press them into the body. And then dragging the... Oh, I lost one ear. So we're gonna put the ear back. And again, I'm gonna drag the soap dough into the soap dough of the head so that it stays stuck. Then I'm gonna do some finishing touches by just smoothing out and making sure that the connections are good.